What is going on, guys? BCD here, back with another video, and got some good news actually. An individual by the name of Rash in my comment section told me about how you can get 4K 120 frames per second on the Vizio OLED as of now. And it's really simple because variable refresh rate is kind of broken. All you have to do is disengage that, and that will allow you to stop the flickering and allow you to play at 4K 120. So as you can see here in the versus multiplayer frame rate, I'm at 120 hertz. You're not going to be able to see it from the camera, of course, but I am in that. And if I go to info, you can obviously see I am at 2160p, which is 4K. So what I did here, just to show you guys exactly, really is all you're doing is disabling variable refresh rate. But if you need a tutorial on that, I'm here for you as well. So if you go into advanced picture and you go into your pro gaming engine, just turn it off here as well. And then once you do that, go into your settings here on your Xbox, because it's only working on the Series X. As of now, I don't know of a way to get it to work on your PS5, but if you guys are smart enough to help me figure this out, you're probably smart enough to help me figure out that one as well. But this one here, see, as in now, you're 120 hertz. Before you turn that on, make sure you go in here and make sure it's still checked. And then also don't turn that on until you have disabled variable refresh rate as well on the television. Because again, if you don't, it's going to start flickering. Obviously, you're not going to be able to change settings unless you start it over or go to a different thing and then go back into it. So make sure you turn this off first, because if you already did the other step to get it to work with the television, then you probably want to turn off variable refresh rate here. Then go into the menu. You don't necessarily have to, but I do it anyway just because whatever. Go into the menu and turn it off there. You have to manually, for Gears 5 at least, you have to manually go into the menu and actually switch it on. And it'll say if your TV supports 120 hertz game mode, you can choose between 60 and 120. Obviously, you can't do it while you're playing the match, but if I was at the menu, I would be able to change it back and forth because of the ability, because they see that I can run it at 120 hertz. And that's pretty much it. I appreciate the Rash actually letting me know about this. So you can do 4K 120 as of now on your television, your Vizio OLED. You cannot, as of now, do it for the PlayStation, but you can at least do it for the Series X. But that's pretty much it for the video. There's no much more else to say. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. They literally did nothing in one. Great. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.